Ki Samla Pule ke Bhoi College hapdeng ke jing ipo iping ha ka khat khandai terik urisau kalapan kut ya ke program Lehkmen balatip kum ka 37th annual college week jung ki Samla Pule balapelong hapalau ka college ya kini ke program Lehkmen ki Samla Pule ke Bhoi College lawan ban penha perdado ba Mirul Bon Sim MLA ke Nongpo ke Mukongsan ha ka jing don lang uba SO link score ka Kong WK Bla UEC Benny vice principal ki Nong Hikai be ki Samla Pule Nakaliang ki Samla Pule kate kesngi kile shimbenta ke jing shat bat jing rwai bat kum juru ah ke jing kop miss bat Mr. Bhoi College kabala pen chong shit bat pen ki met ki Samla Pule ka college. Habai kren kate kesngi pen kut uba Mirul Bon Sim ula sneng bat kentui ki Samla kate kesngi bekin shim khia bat minot ke jing Pule bat kiar ne ke jing len bat ke jing di ki basniu ki bakta ek bor met bat kum juru ek bor perkhat. Hakajing kop thei bhabriu bat rangkan sai la ra da ka Samla Divya Tado ye ka nam Kong Bhoi College bat upin suk lang sotun ye ka nam ba Bhoi College.
Okay, I can hear some correct ones. Are you ready to go? Going to the top five.
Contest.
I was
very much close associate with this college in various issues relating in the past, in the present, and I hope so in days to come also. I have seen the initiative, dedication, hard work, sincerity of all the members in the governing body, led by Dr. Didi Lapang, the founder, member, and president of the GB, and all the members. And also the important contribution of all the faculty members who are here right from the beginning of this college, who are there till now. And there are members who have been associated with this college who have passed away also. But their contribution is the one that we should not forget. Friends and students, when we talk about College Week, it is a time of joy, it is a time of happiness, it is a time of sharing ideas, it's a time of different activities that we are taking part. We are here representing different religion, different creed, different caste, different background, different villages. But I'm not wrong to say that we are one. As the student, as a family within Bhoi College. We are blessed as a citizen of this country, where we have been presented with a beautiful constitution, especially with regards to the minority of the northeastern region, where we have certain special privileges that has been enmarked in the Constitution of India. We are here today proudly as a Khasi, Jaintia, Garo, and also friends from the non-tribal friends that we have of different communities. Even though Meghalaya 98% is 6th schedule, is a scheduled land. But there are plenty of room and space for others also that will live in peace and harmony in this country. And it is very important that this spirit, we have to lift it up to the expectation of our forefathers who have carved this beautiful constitution. And we have, it is our duty to maintain and to keep it into our mind. We are here, as I have said in my opening remark, representing different religion, different background, but we are one. As a society, as a family. Because here we are, the faculty member, the student, and other members are present here. We are living in a society where we have to be very, very cautious and careful from now on. The theme that has been put forward, your tomorrow starts today. It is a befitting theme for the present day generation. When we talk about tomorrow, when we talk about our society, it is very important to each and every one of us that how many of us we have the patience of listening. Because most of us, we don't like to listen to others, we don't like to listen to lectures, we don't like to listen to awareness programs, we don't like to listen to our elders, we don't like to listen to our parents. We'll end up in trouble one day.